All right, well, welcome to your next AET tutorial. So hopefully you can go back and watch the previous videos how to get logged into the AET. So once you get logged in, what we're going to do today is we're going to start a new experience in the AET. Now, I've told you previously, this is a way that I am able to track how much time people spend on their SAE projects, and it's a way for me to make sure that people are on track. So there's a couple of different ways that we can get to a lot of these things that we're going to do. One right here, there's a project and experience manager, and also there's the journal tab. There's the same project experience manager here on journal. So you can click to it from either place. So we're going to start there. We're going to start with your project and experience manager. Now your profile should be blank unless you've had an ag class before. So you're not going to see all of the things that I have here. This is my student sample account. And so every year I do demos. And I guess I don't delete my previous ones. So yours will be blank. What we're going to do is we're going to go right here and click Add New. It's going to bring you to an add/edit experience. Now you are going to name your experience whatever the name of your Agri-Science Fair project is. So this could be Color of Light on Plant Growth. Okay. This is going to be an individual project. It is going to be a research/experimental project. Everybody. The primary experience category could be different. You're going to choose the category that best fits your project. If you're doing something with animal behavior, you're going to do animal systems. If you're doing something with a social science type spin, you're going to do education and communication. This plant example that I'm doing is plant systems. So we're going to click on plant systems, and then there's this subcategory where we're just going to call it specialty for lack of a better word. Okay, so we're going to save that. Now this will probably be V1 item that you see on your screen, and you'll notice if you hover over any of these icons, it'll tell you what they mean. Research project report, annual review, project has no entries, there's a budget category, and this is your plan. So then this is where we're going to go to look at your plan. I understand that we have done an introduction really in kind of two ways already. So if you would want to copy and paste your introduction in here, that is totally fine. If you want to do a shorter version of your introduction here, that is also fine. It does need to be proper capitalization and full sentences and all of that jazz, but you can do a shorter version of it. This project will test how different colors of light affect plant growth. Now see, it does have a spell check, so we're not going to have any excuses for incorrectly spelled words here. You can take a look at the prompts up here if you want to look at that. Your time investment is going to be unique to everybody's project. I plan to conduct my research over a 3-week period. Okay, so give me an idea of how long you plan to conduct your experiment or your research project, whatever the case may be. Financial investment, I will have to purchase, and this one can be bullet points, pots, soil, plants or seeds, light, etc. Okay, so you can make a list. And then you're going to save all and return. We might come back to these learning objectives later, but it's not something that I'm super worried about right now. So we're going to save and return. And there you're going to see your, it didn't change colors, probably because we didn't pick those objectives. But then I want you to go all the way over here where it says single SAE report PDF. And I want you to click on that. That's going to bring up a download in the bottom corner of your browser. And if you click on it, it's going to bring up your chapter name, your name, the name of your project, and that information that you just put in here, okay? And it should be a single page depending how much you typed. This document is the one you're going to download and submit to the assignment, okay? So this right here is what you're going to download and submit after you do both steps of this project, okay? That is part 1 of this week's instructions.